It's important. Come on, Morty.
Oh, no, Rick.
They're incredibly powerful, and I need them to help me with my research, Morty.
Oh, man, Rick.
It makes you kind of underfoot figure. Just take these shoes, Morty. They're special grappling shoes.
I'm in a lot of pain, Rick. Oh.
Yeah, I can see that. Morty, it was like I was some sort of, celebrity. You gotta put these seeds inside your butt. I'm gonna be able to do all kinds of things with them. It's gonna be great, Morty. All kinds of science. What new machines? Morty, tell your parents the square root of pi. Tell your parents the first law of thermodynamics. He needs to keep hanging out and helping me. What am I supposed to do? Say no? You really wear the pants around here. And once those seeds wear off, starting right about now. We're the only friends we've got, Morty. It's just Rick and Morty. Rick and Morty and their adventures, Morty. It's gonna be a lot like that, except, it's gonna make sense. Allah Akbar! I mean, the guy teaches high school math. I didn't take him for an active dreamer. Get on him once a year and give him a little medical evaluation. Don't worry about your Christmas, Jerry. I'll be with Ruben in my workshop. I don't have time for you to wrap your little walnut around everything.
Hey, Dad, where's Morty?
He's busy. Science isn't cheap, Morty. No, Morty. The only monster here is alcoholism. It's a bunch of pirates running around a pancreas.
Rick?
Not now, Jerry. I've got much smaller fish to fry. You dodged a bullet, Morty. Trust me. How sophisticated. It's all fake, Morty. I can't let you do that, Morty.
Give it to me!
No! Do you really think this world is real? The Nigerians have been trying to outsmart me for years, Morty. Get it, Morty. I'm gonna be able to use these processors to make some real important science stuff. So what if the most meaningful day of your life was a simulation operating at minimum capacity? Why don't you ask the smartest people in the universe, Jerry? Oh yeah, you can't. They blew up. Yeah, I had a really rocky road today, Morty. You're my little friend, aren't you? Just keep your requests simple. They're not gods. Yeah, beginner's luck. Real straightforward and fun. Maybe that's why I could use a little cleaning up every now and then, All right, Morty, I just gotta combine it with some of your DNA. Look, I'm not paying 70 smidgens for broken diffraculator. Okay, 60 for the resonator, and my grandson wants the sex robot. And that there's half Morty, half who knows what. Plot thickens. Oh, boy. What's the opposite of wubba-lubba-dub-dubs? Am I right, ladies and gentlemen? You guys kidding me? And thanks, girls. You girls are really something, I'll tell you that. When we first got here, I was
Give
like...
them a ship now.
This world still got a chance. Yeah. See you guys next week. See everybody next week. Speaking of what, Morty? What should we watch next? What are you asking me for, Jerry? I'm sitting here trying to figure out why the cops don't just take you out. I mean, they got a clear shot to your head. Can't wait to meet this fascinating character. Hey, Morty, let me ask you a question real quick. Here, you can have this back. Whoops. I use science to uncurse the items for cash. It's the best. Suit yourself. We did it.
Yeah, bro.
We totally
Yeah.
worth it. We did it. We just pulled it off.
Yeah, bro. Yeah.
Bring his Morty. Leave my Morty out of this. You lost the right to have a say in these things when you refused to join the council. Hey, save your Rick rules for the sheep Ricks, Rick Pig. You have a history of non-cooperation with the council. That'll keep him busy for a while. Beth, you're a treasure. I have a Beth just like you in my reality. Except, you know what? She's not as brilliant or attractive.
What?
Thank
You.
Oh, she did it! I fiddled with the concept like this once. Which is why when I say, shut up, it's really good advice. We're not so different, you and I. Yeah, duh.
You're lucky I'm not a Rick.
Point taken, but this is no time for arcs. Well, Jerry, I guess this means goodbye. And in the way of reparations for our terrible mistake, in the event that your current Morty should... guys, it would go without saying that I've got like 10 Ricks to call right now. Can we wrap this up? Morty and I have some synthetic laser eels oxidizing in the garage.
Hey.
Summer, you can't have a party. Because I'm having a party, bitch!
Why do you party?
To get riggedy wrecked! Son! Just a misguided effort of mine to create a morally neutral super leader by combining the DNA of Adolf Hitler and Abraham Lincoln. Turns out it just adds up to a lame, weird loser. Shut up, Linkler. It's the least you can do for wrecking the living room. Oh, man! Summer for the win. I have a new catchphrase.